Good morning, student. Today we will discussing the next topic of theme 7, the Rayas, the Nayaks and the Sultans. The military ambitions of the rulers of the Vijayanagar and the Deccan Sultans resulted in shifting alignments. Shifting alignments means that they were made the groups against each other. Eventually, it resulted in an alliance of the sultanates against the Vijayanagar. What happened that all the three sultans they were made a group against the kings of Vijayanagar. In 1565, the Battle of Talikota started and the army was led by Rama Rai, the chief minister of the Vijayanagar. Now, student, this point is very important for the 1 mark. That which battle start at the in between the kings of the Vijayanagar and the group of the Sultanate. So then, Battle of Talikota, and in which year? In 1565. Army of Vijayanagar defeated by the combined armies of the Bijapur, Ahmednagar and the Golconda. So all the sultans of this they were defeated the army of Vijayanagar. The victorious army sacked the city of Vijayanagar. Sacked means looted. They were looted the Vijayanagar city by these three sultans. The city was abandoned within a few years. After the defeat, the Aravidyu dynasty shifted its focus to the east and ruled from Pencona, later from Chandragiri near the Tirupati. It means that they were all shifted to this area and ruled here. The sultans, relationship between the sultans and the rayas. The sultans were the reasons for destruction of city of Vijayanagar in the battle of the Talikota in 1565. We just discussing this one. But the relationship between the sultan and the rayas was not always hostile in spite of the religious differences. It means that before this battle, we saw the relationship between the rulers of the Vijayanagar and the sultans that was good in spite of their religious differences. For example, I'm giving you two examples here. The first one is that Krishan Deva Rai sported some claimants to power in the sultans and took pride in the title establisher of the Yavana kingdom. Yavana means a Muslim kingdom. Similarly, the Sultan of Bijapur intervened in an attempt to resolve the succession disputes in Vijayanagar following the death of Krishan Deva Rai. It means after the death of the Krishan Deva Rai, the Sultan of the Bijapur interfered to resolve the problem of this succession between their successors. According to this, that maybe the Krishan Deva Rai or maybe the Sultan of the Bijapur, they were help to each other. They were also respect to each other. According to historians, the Vijayanagar kings were keen to ensure the stability of the Sultanate and vice versa. But due to the adventurous policy of the Rama Rai, and his attempt to play off one sultan against another, the sultan came together and defeated him decisively. The Rama Rai's here we see the wrong policy because the Rama Rai on that time wanted the that uh, to play a game between one sultan against the another. But the sultans here, they were joined each other against the Rama Rai. Now the Nayaks in the Vijayanagar Empire. In the Vijayanagar Empire, the Nayaks were the military chiefs who exercised power and control forts and had armed supporters. These chiefs often moved from one place to another and many a times were accompanied by peasants looking for fertile land in order to settle. So they had each and everything. These Nayaks, they were also having they were the military chief. They had the power. They controlled the forts, okay, and support the armies. And after that, they were accompanied the peasants. The Nayak spoke the Telugu and Kannada language. It means the regional language of that area. Many Nayaks were under the control of the kings of Vijayanagar, but often rebelled and faced military actions by the kings. When these Nayaks they were rebelled, so then the rulers they were took the military action against these Nayaks. The Amar Nayak system was a major political innovation of the Vijayanagar Empire. This was a different innovation of the Vijayanagar Empire. Most probably, many features of this system were derived from the Ikta system of Delhi Sultanate. The Amar Nayak were military commanders. They were also the military commanders. They were given territory to govern by the Raya. Raya means kings. It means the kings they were given the territories to the Amar Nayak that to control that particular area. Their duty was to collect the taxes and other dues from the peasant, craftsmen, and the traders on that area. So they were collected the taxes from the peasant, craftsmen, and the traders. They kept part of the revenue for personal use and for maintaining a stipulated contingent of horses and elephants. They will use that revenue or the tax, the some part they will use for their personal use as well as the rest of the revenue they were also used for maintaining the army in the form of the horses and the elephants. Some of the revenue was also used for the maintenance of the temples and irrigation works. It means for the welfare of the people and for the religious purposes. So they were used for maintaining the temples or irrigation works for the peasants. They sent tribute to the king annually and personally appeared in the royal courts with gifts to express their loyalty. Okay, they were annually every year they were sent their tributes in front of the king. Personally, they met with the king in the royal court. They also sent they gave the gifts. With the help of that gifts, they show their loyalty. Kings asserted their control over them by transferring them from one place to another. This was a good method by the kings of the Vijayanagar on that time, that how they were the kings control over the Amar Nayaks. So they were transferring them from one place to another. It means from one area or from one fort to the another fort. In course of time, they established independent kingdoms, but sometimes they were also established independent kingdoms. This was one of the cause of weakening and decline the Vijayanagar Empire. So uh, this was a good method, but there were also some loose point in this Amar Nayak system, and when these Amar Nayaks they were also became stronger, okay, and they were made their own independent kingdoms. This was the main reason of the weakening and decline of this Vijayanagar Empire. Okay, thank you, student.